Okay na?
1, 2, 3, go.
Good afternoon, everyone, and to our dear panels. We are the Group 6 of ABM 12-4, and our study is about the effects of social isolation during the COVID-19 pandemic to the mental health of grade 10 students of Central Philippine University. In March 2020, the COVID-19 pandemic forced schools in the Philippines to stop face-to-face learning activities and abruptly shift to an online curriculum. As the world clashes with the health emergency and crisis from the COVID-19 pandemic, people are obliged to work and study from home to reduce the risk of infecting or being infected by the virus. And students are the most vulnerable trying to combat social isolation. Lockdowns, quarantine, social distancing, and online learning became a great deal. Thus became a risk for mental disorders such as insomnia, stress, anxiety, and depression. In addition, online classes contributed to interfering with most of the students' mental health by pressuring and bombarding them with modules or activities and other requirements that need to be submitted on time.
What is COVID-19? COVID-19, or coronavirus disease, is caused by the novel coronavirus, subsequently named Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus 2, or SARS-CoV-2, which was first reported in Wuhan City, Hubei Province, China in December 2019. On January 2020, January 30, 2020, the first case in the country was identified involving a 38-year-old female Chinese national. After over a month without recording any cases, the first local transmission on March 7, 2020 was confirmed.
Objectives of the study. Broadly, this study will aim to identify the effects of social isolation during the COVID-19 pandemic to the mental health of grade 10 students of Central Philippine University. Specifically, the study aims to first determine the effects of social isolation during the COVID-19 pandemic to the mental health of grade 10 students of Central Philippine University, and second, understand the effects of social isolation during the COVID-19 pandemic to the mental health of grade 10 students of Central Philippine University.
Significance of the study. This study will redound to the society considering that this can help a lot of people, particularly the parents, students, teachers, and the future researchers, to fully comprehend how social isolation during this pandemic is affecting the students' mental health and school performance. The information gathered from this study will be a great contribution to the vast knowledge in relation to students' mental health.
Scope and limitation. This study is primarily focusing on determining and understanding the effects of social isolation during the COVID-19 pandemic to the mental health of students. It is significant to gain knowledge about how any of this can affect a person and why is it affecting them with the intent to raise awareness concerning their mental health, which is why the researchers chose to focus on this topic. The chosen study will focus particularly to the grade 10 students of Central Philippine University. The researchers will choose approximately 5 sections and pick 15 random student per section, 1 section from the special science class, and 4 sections from the regular class to participate in the study. The researchers will conduct through online surveys using closed-ended questionnaires provided for the grade 10 students.
The present situation of COVID-19, especially in certain ways, has influenced the mental health of the students. With how the COVID-19 is rapidly spreading, the mental issue which comes with it has quickly increased. Due to the long-term pandemic situation and strict measures such as lockdown and quarantine, The COVID-19 pandemic brings a negative impact on the students. These researchers explained how this mental health would really affect the students right now, and how parents could help their children to avoid those feelings of depression in their homes. The results highlighted the urgent need to develop preventive interventions and strategies to address the mental health of the students.
Mental health and academic achievement are linked. Chronic stress changes the chemical and physical structure of the brain, impairing cognitive skills like attention, concentration, memory, and creativity. Some studies have shown that post-traumatic stress disorder is closely related to depression and other psychological problems. A lack of routine for many students, social alienation, and depression raise the risk of mental illness. The risks of mental health issues were further raised by quarantine, trauma, and sorrow after the COVID-19 pandemic. Family and relatives should encourage and establish closer ties with their children. In general, parents must support their children by spending time with them, eating dinner together, or letting them connect with their friends.
Methodology. A descriptive research design will be used in this study to determine the effects of social isolation to the student's mental health. It aims to observe and report on a certain phenomenon or behavior.
The researchers will select 75 officially enrolled grade 10 students from Central Philippine University. The respondents will be gathered from the first 5 sections, 4 in regular classes, and 1 in special science class, with 15 students each section by the use of a simple random sampling procedure. This is a method of choosing samples in which all the members of the population are given an equal chance of being selected.
Due to the pandemic, the handling of the survey will be done over the internet using Google Forms. The conduction of the research will involve of a 29 closed-ended questions and an open-ended questions.
The required data compiled will be processed and analyzed using the method of Statistical Package for Social Sciences, or SPSS. The aforementioned statistical method will be used during the analysis of the results of the study, which is determining and understanding the effects of social isolation during the pandemic to the mental health of students. Thank you, and once again, good afternoon.